Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server 2025 on Windows 11 from start to finish. We'll download the free Express Edition, install it properly, and then set up SQL Server Management Studio so you can start working with databases right away. So first, open your web browser and search for Microsoft SQL Server. Make sure you open the official website from Microsoft. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the download section for SQL Server. You'll see multiple editions available, but we're going to choose SQL Server 2025 Express. This version is completely free and perfect for learning, development, and small projects. Click the download button under SQL Server 2025 Express. A new page will open. Here again, click on Download button under SQL Server 2025 Express. The setup file will start downloading. Once it finishes, right-click the file and open it. The SQL Server installer will launch. Choose the basic installation option. Accept the license terms and continue. You'll see the default installation location. If you don't have a specific reason to change it, just leave it as it is and click Install. At this point, the installer will download the required files and begin setting up SQL Server on your system. This might take a few minutes, so just wait until it completes. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a summary screen showing details, like the connection string and installation paths. To make sure everything is working, click Connect. If the SQL Server window opens without errors, that means your installation was successful. Now that the server is installed, the next thing we need is SQL Server Management Studio. That, also known as SSMS, this is the graphical interface that allows you to manage databases easily instead of using only command line tools. From the setup window, click the option to install SSMS. This will redirect you to the official Microsoft page where you can download SQL Server Management Studio. Scroll down until you find the SSMS download link and click it. The installer will begin downloading. Once it's finished, right-click the file and open it. Click Continue to begin the setup. The installer will prepare the required components and then start installing. This process can take some time because the installation size is several gigabytes. When the installation finishes, minimize this window. Now check all apps here. It will show you the list of selected apps. And it will take around 4 gigabytes of space. Now click Install to begin the installation. Now it will start downloading and installing SQL Studio. Just wait until the process completes. When installation completes, close the window. Now, open SQL Server Management Studio from the Start menu. When launching it for the first time, you might see a prompt to sign in or add an account. You can skip that for now. And that's it. You've successfully installed SQL Server along with SQL Server Management Studio on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.